Public warning system. Bilbo is testing the alarm system. Only a test. Bilbo is testing the sirens today. Bilbo's testing the sirens. 10 o'clock. He's testing the sirens right now. Can hear him. He's testing them. He's testing the sirens. Bilbo. Attention. This is a test of the Gurnee public warning system. This is only a test. He's testing the sirens. He's testing the sirens right now. Bilbo's testing it. It's gonna go off at 10 o'clock. It's the first Tuesday of the month. He's testing the Gurnee public warning system sirens. Attention. This is a test of the Gurnee public warning system. This is only a test. He's testing the sirens. Bilbo's testing the sirens. You can hear him. He's testing the sirens. Bilbo. Dogs are barking because the sirens are going off. Bilbo and Bucktooth are testing the sirens. Rear, testing the sirens. Test the Gurnee public warning system. This is only a test. He's testing the sirens. Bilbo. They should be going off any minute. There they go. Bilbo's testing the sirens because tornadoes. He's testing them. He's testing the sirens. See if they work on the first Tuesday of the month. He's testing them to see if they work. Bilbo's testing at the fire station or the police station every first Tuesday of the month to make sure people know when there's a tornado, and Bucktooth's testing it. The sirens. He's testing the sirens. He's testing them. See if they work. Every first Tuesday of the month. It is April. It's the first Tuesday of the month. It is April 7th, the first Tuesday of the month. He's testing the sirens. Dogs are barking. Testing the sirens because they don't like the noise. They're testing it. They're testing the sirens. They're testing it for tornado drills. This is a tornado drill. They're testing the Gurnee sirens. They're testing them. They're testing the Gurnee sirens. Bilbo and Bucktooth are testing the Gurnee sirens. They're going wailing. And they're wailing on the first Tuesday of the month. Just up the road on Gage's Lake. They're testing the sirens. Bilbo is testing the sirens. You can hear they're just doing a practice drill. Testing the Gurnee sirens. Dogs are barking because of the noise. They don't like it. They can hear it. They're testing the sirens all over Lake County. And dogs are barking in the neighborhood in Wildwood and Ullman because it's loud, the sirens. And there goes a truck by, scrap metal truck by. It's Jose trying to pick up the metal while the sirens are going off at 10 o'clock. The sirens are going off. They're testing it. Testing the sirens. Everybody make sure they work. This is only a test. They're going they're making sure they work. It's over by Laremont School. And they're done. They're done testing the sirens.